My name is Dino Lee, and we are NEXCOM Mobile Computing Solutions Business Unit. Today, we are in embedded world and I will show you the live demo of railway blind spot detection with panoramic AI solution. The solution is carried out by our system ATC3750, an in-vehicle and railway certified AI edge computer, which is embedded with an NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin system on module. The system is connected with several IP cameras plus a LiDAR sensor for surrounding detection. The IP cameras can provide panoramic surrounding view for the driver, and the LiDAR sensor can assist to detect the blind spot that the IP camera cannot see, and also provide machine vision for the system to further analyze and forecast if there is any risk around the track in the near future. Through the solution, the driver can avoid collision to enhance safety of daily train operation, and the back-end operating center can also send maintenance team to solve the potential risk around the trackside. This is our ecosystem partners who provide different types of cameras with different interfaces, and NEXCOM and CS has already integrated them to our systems and make them become a software-defined edge computing solution. To combine these software edge-defined solutions and our hardware features, our customers are able to complete the applications such as real-time 3D mapping for the machine vision, and also risk analysis for maintenance purposes. For NVIDIA solutions, we provide the system with our Intel CPU PCIe by 16 GPU cards embedded, and also the Jetson Orin family system on module with different kinds of camera interfaces. For the Intel platforms, we have a massive product roadmap which includes the range from single-core Intel Atom CPU to the 13th generation Core i systems. The ROG design box PC features high-grade IP protection, wide-range operating temperature, and anti-shock vibration. These features ensures our system to operate under severe environmental conditions. With this hardware design, the applications such as city safety, passenger infotainment system, wireless gateway, and smart warehouse can be fulfilled.